everyone, Morgan here. So I'm going to show you how to use powdered eggs. Now powdered eggs are all pretty much the same. These are the Ova Easy eggs. This is what I had in like the smallest package possible to just show you an example of how to use powdered eggs and how they reconstitute. I got a big thing of powdered eggs from ReadyWise, so I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go check that out. These Ova Easy eggs can be found in like REI and stuff like that. We usually only get these for like camping. It's about 10 bucks a pop for what, 4.5 ounces. So, and it makes about 12 eggs, the equivalent to 12 eggs. So not a terrible price, but also kind of a terrible price. So, you know, if you have a freeze dryer, of course, and I've shown you how to dehydrate your own eggs as well. So I'm going to show you how to use powdered eggs. So there are directions on the back. So we're just going to follow the directions for 2 eggs, which will be which will be 4 tablespoons of the powder. So now we're going to do 6 tablespoons of water. 1, 6. And you can whisk or, you know, just mix as best as you can there. So there you go. And you're probably going, wow, that doesn't look fantastic, does it? But I'm actually going to show you how it looks when it's scrambled up. But before I do that, I do want to tell you, at this point, once it's at this consistency, you can use like for, you know, a scrambled eggs, or you can use in baking or cooking recipes. I like to rehydrate the eggs first before using in baking and cooking recipes. Now keep in mind, you know, if it says, you know, 1 egg, 2 egg, whatever, just reconstitute that much. So like it said, you know, for 1 egg, do 2 tablespoons of the eggs and 3 tablespoons of water. For 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons with 6 tablespoons. I like to reconstitute it with the water first before putting it in my baking. Some people will put the straight powdered eggs into their baking, but you will have to add the extra water in order to compensate for the powdered eggs there. So I like to just reconstitute it first and then add to my baking or cooking or whatever else. So at this point, see, it just scrambles up like normal. So even though it reconstituted into that orange color, as you can see, it cooked up into that nice yellow color that we're all familiar with eggs. So it looks good. You know, you could put this in a taco, just eat it like this, put it on some toast, whatever you want to do with it. And I've had these before, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick little. Tastes like egg. I think it's pretty good. Thank you all so much for watching. I have links down below to where you can get some powdered eggs. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today, as well as a link down below to see how you can dehydrate your own eggs. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye.